welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I have a pin haul. How weird is that? If you've been with me for a while, you know that I started with like 2 pins, and now that I have my channel, I have so many pins. I actually have to get pin boards to hold my pins, which is insane. Most of these pins are trader pins, so I traded them or I bought them at a place where somebody sold them and I bought them. So none of these are straight from, I don't think any of these actually, no, are straight from the park, but they are all Disney pins. They just been used by somebody else, so they've been recycled, I guess. I don't know what the right word is. I guess traded was fine. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the ones I got at the park. So these two, I carry this box around. This box, we got it back at Disney World, and then this is where I keep all my traders that I want to take to the park to trade. And this is what I came back with. So I came back, and I'm gonna use my little tapestry. Hopefully it helps focus. So does it help? Maybe not. Maybe I'll just do close-ups later. But I got this Stitch pin, which is super cute. It's like a paintbrush, and it has a little Stitch and his little impressions. I really like Stitch. As you can tell, I'm wearing a Stitch sweater right now, and I just thought it was really, really cute. I traded him close to where what is it called? Jungle Cruise is at, like the store right in front of it. The next thing I have is it Carl from Up? Is that the name? I think he's really cute. I will say Up is not my favorite movie. I don't tend to watch it as much. I know there's like a big following for it. And the beginning of it is tragic. I love watching the first 10 minutes just so I can get a good cry in the day. But it's not like my top favorite movie. I just thought this was really cute, and I thought somebody would love this. So I got it because I thought somebody would love it that I can give it to. Or he might go back into the trading pool. We'll see. The rest of them come from trader pins. There is one that I got at Box Lunch. So I am doing a swap, which is, again, new for my channel. I've never done a swap. I've never done a tag. I've never done any of that. So there's one coming up, I think, in April. And I had to get stuff for my person that I'm swapping with. And I decided to give myself something too, because when you are shopping, you can't help it. But I got this Coco pin from Box Lunch. It's really, really cute. So you change the little flowers and it becomes Coco, or sorry, not Coco, it's Miguel during at the place of the death or in real life. So him as a skeleton or in real life. But I just think it's so cool. And I love the little flowers. It's just very me, very Coco. I love it. Okay, the rest of them, I'm going to take a half second to get them out of the bags because the place that I get them at is so good at bagging them, but they are a little too sealed and it takes me a little too long. I do want to tell you that for the prices, they were all $6, $5. Yeah, I'm going to say a range was $6. So for all of them, it was $6 each. And then I do get a 20% off at this store. It's called Bookman's here in Arizona. And there's 1 or 2 here in Phoenix. And then there's a couple in Tucson. So that's where I get them. So $6 with 20% off. Not bad, especially if it's for trading or things like that. But let me open them all up and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So let's go ahead and just go in the order. I didn't realize how many I had. I will tell you that this fell out of the bag. I bought these at Universal Studios. I never showed them to you. I might as well do it now because they fell out of the bag. They're slithering earrings. So cute. I don't know why they were in this bag. Yes, okay. Alright, the first pin I have is definitely a trader pin. It is Eric from The Little Mermaid. I don't like The Little Mermaid. I love the music. I think Eric is extremely handsome. But yeah, the movie's not for me, but I know somebody out there is gonna love this pin. Like, there's people who collect Little Mermaid stuff, Eric stuff, Prince stuff. So I think someone's gonna love this pin. Not me, not for me, but I just thought it was cute enough that if I don't trade it, I'm still okay with it. Alright, the next one I have is another Carl. Hopefully his name is correct. I should have taken a half second to Google it. I'm so sorry. Correct me on the comments. It's another one of these. I think I will keep this one though because this one looks like the soda cap. Like it has a little indents on the end and it has his little face. It's just so adorable. I don't know. Maybe I'll start one. Maybe I'll watch the movie and force myself to love it just so I can love the merch. But He is just so cute. Look at the little face, the purple, just an adorable pin. We'll probably keep it. The next one I have is Kermit wearing a Mickey hat. I've done one like this before, and I had Miss Piggy, and then when I went back to the store, I saw Kermit. It had to be the same person. I can't imagine a different person went and sold two pins that look so alike. So I think somebody had the pair of them and sold both of them to Bookmans, and now they're mine, and now they're gonna be so cute together on the pin board. I love Kermit. I like the Muppets. I don't watch it often, but I do like it. So if somebody's like, oh, let's watch the Muppets, I'd be like, all right, yeah, okay. The next thing I have is this little Pooh Bear safety pin. It looks like a safety pin. I think it would be so cute on overalls, or just like a white shirt, like a button up, or a jacket. Like, it's so cute because it looks like a little safety pin. How adorable is this? Pooh has become one of my favorites because of the movie Christopher Robin. I love that movie, so I started liking Pooh and Friends because of it. The next thing I have is this like bowling pin, and it has oh my gosh, friend, why am I forgetting your name? Suze, not Suze. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at myself. It'll come to me. Hopefully you know who this is. It's like my second favorite villain. My memory's been really bad lately. If you have tips to helping your memory, let me know, because I'm getting a little scared of how bad my memory is becoming. But yeah, he's one of my favorite villains. I can't believe I just forgot his name. He is so cool. To me, I feel like I am like him because he has no patience, and he's just great. He is a little bit pale, on the paler side in this pin. I have another pin of him where he looks a little more normal. This one's a little too green, I think, for him. The next one I have is Donald Duck being the cutest that he could ever be. I mean, he's never not cute. Donald Duck is another one of my favorites because of his little personality and how grumpy he is. In this pin, he's actually quite happy. He's just painting away. This is going to go perfect with the Stitch paint pin, actually. And the next one I have is for my mom. I actually got this for her because anytime, if you are going to Disney, you better bring her back an apple. Like, that's her thing. It's the apples, and it's the mini apples if they have mini. If not, she's okay with any apple, but the mini apple is her jam. So I did get her this so she can start her own mini collection. That's funny. Mini and mini. It's really, really cute. I'm not an apple person. If she's like, you want some? I'll be like, sure. But I never buy myself an apple. It's not something I gravitate for. And then the next one, I want to say it's Dale. I'm sure you'll correct me and tell me it's Chip. I have not put the effort into learning their names, like their noses yet. But he's really cute. I'm sure there was the other one that said good job or good morning, or finish the sentence on the comment. What does his buddy say? Good morning, good friends, goodbye, good for you, good boy. I don't know, but I just think he's so cute. On the cruise ship, they were there and they were dancing, and they have great personality. So I fell in love with Chip and Dale. And then the very, very last pin, the pin that I'm so excited about, that I can't believe I found this. I found a Paris pin last time I went, and you can see that on my last video of this. But this time I found a Shanghai Disney pin. I could not believe it. And it was only $6. That's it. So let me open it. I just wanted to show you the packaging because I just couldn't believe it, and I didn't think you would believe it, so I wanted to show it to you. Yeah, I don't know. It's crazy that I found this. I've seen another pack. They had another pack, but it didn't look as good. It was like a Star Wars, but nothing about it said Shanghai Disney. And this one does. So this one, if you look at it closely, it was 59 yen. I want to say it was 59 yen originally. It still has this like cardstock, which is amazing. It has oh my gosh, I just forgot the name. Teddy bear, Boo Boo bear, Grizzly bear. Oh my gosh, I am so mad at myself. When I edit, I'm gonna be like, Duffy bear. Yes. I still haven't remembered the villain's name though. It's gonna come. But it's a grand opening. It says grand opening Shanghai Disney Resort. And then it says limited release on it. And it has a little Duffy bear. This pin is extra beyond extra. It has so much on it. There's so much on this pin. I did hear that the quality feels different. I'm going to take it off the cardstock. I'll put it back on the cardstock. Don't worry. It actually feels normal. I don't know. Maybe a little lighter, but it feels normal to me. And it has a normal backing. Nothing too crazy there. But I was so excited about this. I don't know who took it to Bookmans, but if it was you, thank you. You've made my day. So exciting. Just, mwah. But yeah, that is the pin haul. Can't believe I just had a pin haul. How was it? How did I do? I hope you liked. Comment which one was your favorite. For me, out of all of these, as you could guess, this one. And then close second would be Pooh Bear, just because I think it's going to be such a cute piece to wear. And then Kermit. Yeah, I think that's my order of like my favorite pins. Let me know what your favorite pin is. Let me know if there's a place like this by you that you can buy pins and then trade them off at the parks, because I think it's really fun to pin trade at the parks, and my husband loves it, weirdly enough. But I just don't want to, when I buy pins at the park, it's pins I want. I never buy pins to trade them, so it's nice to have a place where I do, if that makes sense. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Was it crooked this whole time? I'm sorry if I was. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and it lets you see my content as soon as it comes out. I'm trying really hard to do different types of videos. We have videos on cruise ships, Florida's Disney, California's Disney, a couple of Paris. I wasn't filming quite yet, but I do have like tips and tricks for that. And yeah, we just have more exciting content coming up too, so just subscribe so you were there for it. And until next time, adios.